Hi, I'm Abis Hd6K and this is the Abis Smart Projector. So this is one of those products that when you get it you think, why didn't anyone think of this before? It seems like the logical next step with all these smart boxes that you get, Apple TV, Android boxes, and that's literally what you're getting with this device. You're getting an Android box inside a projector. So let's get straight into it. It comes in a simple, easy to carry box, and the setup is as simple as connecting any other Android box. But before we get into it, let's look at what features this has. Of course, it has the power plug, the HDMI, Ethernet cable so you can connect to the internet, but obviously you can connect to the internet wirelessly. But along with those connectors, it also has two USB ports. It makes it so much easier when you have an external keyboard that's plugged into this through the USB port. So when you're searching for something on the App Store, you don't have to click through each button like a remote. You just type on your keyboard and that's it, good to go. So now you've switched this on, of course it works like a projector, so you have to be in a really dark room to make use of it. I've been enjoying it for the past week and a half and I've just put my TV to the side to get fully immersed in this. So the interesting thing with setting this up is they've taken into consideration that you might not have the space to set up straight forward. You don't really want to put this on your coffee table in the middle of the room. You might want to set it up at an angle like I have it. So the way to do that is you place it wherever you need to place it, angle it towards a blank wall. You don't even really need a projector screen. I've just been using my living room wall and it works pretty well. So once you have your blank wall, set it up and then you can go through the options and you can manipulate the way the projection hits the wall so that even though it's at an angle, it'll still present it like it's straight. That takes a little bit of fiddling with, but at the end of the day, you get a good result. So it says that it can handle 4K footage, but I haven't had a chance to connect a 4K device because my television is usually my 4K device or my computer. But it says it can handle 4K resolution. What I've tried so far is watching Netflix on it. And that's the great thing, you can download all your apps on it. So that includes Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime. You can literally log into the Play Store and download all your streaming apps. I even have Spotify in here. So let me give you examples of what it's like to use different apps on this device. When it comes to things like watching films, it does a decent job, so you have to play around with the contrast quite a lot. And you have the same thing when you're gaming on it, but the reason why I love gaming on it is because it's so big. I actually measured it and the way I've placed it, it's the equivalent to a 102-inch TV, so I'm able to see everything. And the other benefit of this that I didn't think of is with this, because there's almost no glare, there's no backlight coming off the wall, so you're literally just getting a flat image, so it means your eyes are not straining as much. So it's really convenient if you're going to be gaming for long periods of time. It also makes screen mirroring easy with iOS or Android devices. And again, with the built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, you can connect to anything. Now, what I want to talk about is one of my favorite things to do on this, which is play songs on Spotify. I don't know why. I have it connected to speakers on either side of the room to kind of replicate a surround sound. I just like it when Spotify is projected onto the wall and I hear the music through the house. It's really nice. This is one of those things that if you got it as a gift for the holidays, you'd really appreciate it. I would imagine that this would probably be ideal for students who don't want to take the TV all the way to uni, but they just have something in a small box that they can carry and project it onto any wall that they have in their room. It's really useful. So I hope you found that video helpful, and if you did, remember to let me know what you think in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.